Well. This is the first time I've seen these little suckers since 2003-ish. There's no way the camera will pick it up. But there's a creek bottom way down in there. You might hear that constant that sound. Well, that's them. Here's the cicada. Let me get a macro shot of him, and I'm going to try to catch the little sucker. Well. It's the first one I've seen yet. They claim these things are rather tasty, too. I don't know. If I can get a bunch of them, I'll fry them babies up. This ought to be able to show up a video. See if I can get a macro. Wait a minute. Right there. Yeah. See if I can sharpen it just a little. My camera is not like some of those high-tech ones. I have to kind of do the zooming myself. Let's see here. See if I can sharpen that a little bit more. That's about as sharp as I can get it. Good day in the morning. What a creature. See if I can catch that little baby now. Yeah. Happy, ain't you? They ought to be as aggravating as their racket is they make. Well, there be the cicada. Ain't he or she a pretty thing? I don't know how to tell a male and female. I hope that's the YouTube thumbnail. Oh, you gotta love that stuff. Oh yeah, right there. There it is. I'm gonna have to make it a point to make that the YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, that's lovely. That is lovely stuff. Well, even though they claim they're edible, according to a PDF file that Swamp Rat sent me a link to, I don't think I'm just going to throw him in there and go to chomping on him or anything, but yeah, so that's it. There's my thumbnail. About 1.5 inches long, wings and all. Listen. Wait a minute, he's trying to make a little racket. Come on, do it again. Come on, make a noise. Hey. Come on. Well, he won't do it now. Some kind of clicking noise he's making. Alright. Do it again. Come on. If they like some insects, when they become this age, they're just about dead anyway, but anyway. I might just throw him in the freezer. Like I said, I think it was 2003-ish, somewhere along in there. Last time I saw anything out of these, and that's the same little bug. If I remember right, though, they had more brick reddish eyes. This one's a little bit more orange colored. Oh well. Happened to find him on the gutter pipe as I was coming around here. Cool stuff. Oh yeah. A face only something could love, I don't know what.